Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lovely beautiful video and this is all about autumn new looks that you would love to watch. I have ordered some stuff from Temu. If you like some classy, trendy or looks that can go with the seasons, Temu is a very good app that you can install, get your stuff which you would like to enjoy, have fun with. So I'm very much excited to share this Temu haul with you today because I have bought lots and lot of stuff which I think I liked it when I saw the packaging, and I would love to also share it with you all so that you can also explore it. I will give you an honest review about how the product looks. For those who don't know about Temu, let me explain you that Temu is a marketplace and it's an app which you can download on your mobile or computers. If you want to download this app, there's a link in the description and also I will place it on a screen. You will also get a discount code which is flashing right here, and I will also leave it in the comment section or the description section for you to avail maximum benefit, maximum discounts on new purchases. So I was so excited that I already opened this package, and this was the packing it came into, and I have a lot of products which are really good and I want to show you all. First of all, what attracted me about Temu was the material, the price point, the variety which you would always love to wear and want to have in your wardrobe. So this is what I found on Temu app, and there are a lot of things like fashion clothings, accessories, gadgets, pet supplies, shoes, bags, everything that you want to think about, and you have it on Temu, which is on perfect price point and is also very cheap and affordable, so that it's very budget friendly. And in a big pack you will get small different stuff. It's so much fun actually. Without spending too much, you already have much products in your parcel. So let's begin unboxing some of my favorite essentials and wardrobe essentials. I will also show you all some looks that I've created with it. So let's begin with my review unboxing. So here is some stuff that I ordered from Temu. Believe me when I say the packing looks very good. I have actually a lot of things to unbox. If you like any of the products which I show in this video, there's a link in the description. You can also download the app from the link which I've given you so that you have a lot of discounts when you order. And if you don't like any product, size issue or anything you are not satisfied with, there are free returns, no hassle at all. You can easily apply for free returns and you're all set to buy new product. Lightning deals, discounts, coupon codes, and spin the wheel. So you have a lot of options to save on some bucks before shopping, having your purchases. So let's see. So this is the first product which I have bought, and when I looked at image in the Temu app, I was really impressed, and I don't know. Let's see. Let's open this. So far, so good. Wow. This actually looks good. Look at the print. There's a nice zip here. Zip, and let's see the quality of the zip. It's good, not bad. So this is nice, and the fabric is like semi-cotton kind of stuff, and the print is really adorable. You can wear this in fall, in as a business casual, or if you go out with your friends or anything, I mean, like a summer outing or autumn outing, this is a perfect fit. And this one is just for $9.99. So बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है ये, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड अगर आपको भी यहाँ पे पसंद है टीमो से कुछ ऑर्डर करना, तो आप जरूर ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. Another very good essential, what I thought I should have it in my autumn season wardrobe collection, that was this thermal with fleece inside. As you know, the weather in US is highly fluctuating and autumn is near, so it's always around 50 to 60 degree Fahrenheit. And look at the fleece, is so soft and comfy. And I ordered this in L size. That looks perfect. Even the fabric of the pants is amazing, and the fleece is throughout you can see. तो ये जो है प्रोडक्ट प्लश थर्मल सॉफ्ट एंड कंफी फैब्रिक का जो ये थर्मल है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर 8.99 यूएस डॉलर्स। तो ये भी प्रोडक्ट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, काफी क्लासी है, एंड दिस इज अ मस्ट हैव इन योर wardrobe fall essential. When you wear jeans in winters, that's definitely not going to help you, because then even then you feel cold. So this thermals, this kind of fleece leggings are always handy. I was too much excited about this top here, and this looks a very huge sweater here. So let's open this. This is a solid V-neck sweater. Again, it's a very good fall essential, and it's, you see the crochet and knitted one, like a beautiful sweater with long sleeves. And I like this pattern over here, the lace pattern V-neck. Looks so beautiful and classy. You can wear it on jeans, you can wear it on thermals, and this was just for $14, $14.49. And this is really beautiful knitted one and feels so soft and comfy. This one is the most exciting. I was to when I ordered the products. I was so excited to have this, and it came. This is cotton, and look at the fabric. It's a long short kind of a thing with a collar and beautiful prints, as you can see here, with different colors, all different types of colors. The fabric is really very good. It's a long shirt. It looks really classy. You can wear it in office, you can wear it as a business casual, you can wear it in summer, you can wear it in autumn, you can wear it in winters. Wherever you want to wear, you can wear this shirt. It's long and classy. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with long pants, joggers, anything, whatever you like, you want to style with, you can go ahead with it. It's just for $12.69. Whatever products I'm showing, you will get the link on the screen as well as in the description below, so that you can avail beautiful discounts and grab yourself this trendy looking stuff. So now I'm super excited about this hot pink color, and it's the top. Really, the color actually really fascinated me, because I actually have lots of pink, but this pink is kind of very different. And this is a blouse. Actually, you can wear it on jeans, and perfect autumn color. It really brightens up your skin. I feel so. And look at the sleeves, they're so cute. Look at the sleeves, they're so cute. They're long and nicely, there's a, elastic over here. So that's so beautiful again. And this top, believe me, is just for $4.99. And I was so excited because just $5 top and so beautiful. Even the fabric is so stunning. I really liked it. It's like gorgeous. You can style this with black, with blues, with t-shirts. I mean, there are a lot of options. You can style it with any pants, jeans, anything you want to. Then I have this beautiful pair of slippers. These are home slippers, you can see. Nicely packed. What I like about Temu is all the products that you get are brand new and nicely packed in this plastic. And they are so cute. These chappals are so soft, slippers, you can wear it. And there were nice colors also in it. So nice colors you'll get, and they were just for $379. So it's so cheap. And really, if you can see behind, also the fabric and everything is so good. Inside also, it's like very fluffy, soft. And there were different colors, like gray, white, and leopard print. Actually, this is, but they were so good, and I really like those. I can use it as my home slippers or bathroom slippers. Again, the last item I would like to show you all is this denim jacket, actually, or it's a shirt. I don't know what I ordered, but yeah, let's open and see this. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's like it's like a shirt. It's an oversized shirt for me, actually, but I know that will look very stylish on me. So the fabric here is very good. It's like, you can see here, the fabric is soft, semi cotton, I guess, and color is very pretty, grayish black color, and it will go with any kind of t-shirts, shorts, jeans, and skirts, and you can style it as a jacket, or you can just wear it like a normal t-shirt also. Stylish denim safari top, and you can style it in college and any parties and any casual gatherings. Anywhere you can wear this type of summer outfit, sorry, autumn outfit. So, and this one was for 9.29 US dollars. So this is what all I have got from Temu. I really love shopping on Temu, and there are lots and lots and lots of other stuff which you would find. And if you want to go ahead and buy, there is a link in the description box. There's a code in the description box that you have to fill in so that you get more and more discounts on your first purchases, as well as when you log in and shop more and more, you will get more and more cashbacks, some more discounts, some lightning deals, and everything what really makes you a shopping freak, and you want to enjoy, and you actually get addicted to Temu, because there are lots and lots of other stuff you will find. And here is a beautiful ring that I also purchased from Temu, and this looks like this. So here's a beautiful ring, and this ring was around just $1 or $2 maybe on Temu, and um, believe me, you will really love this app, and you will shop more and more, and I will show you more and more stuff about and shop it for your family, for your house, for your kids, your husband, for his, for her, for everyone out there, and all the stuff that you have thought of is on Temu. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for new uploads, and if you wish to download Temu app, there's a link in the description. Use my code to get more and more discount. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.